The perpendicular distance from the origin to the plane containing the two legs is what here. First, to find the equation of this plane here. Okay, the plane containing these two legs here. First line is this here, passing to the point -2, 2 and -5. Okay, and parallel to the vector whose direction is 3, 5, 7 here. So this is one more line here. That line passing through 1, 4, -4 here. And parallel to this vector B2, but whose direction is 1, 4, 7 here. Then obviously this is a vector here perpendicular to both B1 and B2 here. So therefore n bar is equal to B1 cross B2. It is normal to this plane here. First to find here n bar. Okay, so n bar is a normal vector to the required plane here. Required plane. Therefore, n bar is equal to B1 cross of B2 here. So determinant of I, J, K. So B1 means direction ratio of the vector 3, 5, 7 here. So write here 3, 5 and 7. Direction ratio of second vector parallel to the second line here 1, 4, 7 here. So write here 1, 4, 7. Okay. So these are what are? These are the vectors parallel to these two lines here. These are direction ratios of those vectors here. So use here. Now you simplify I into 7 5s are 35 and 7 4s are 28 here. Minus of z, 7 3s are 21 and 7 1s are 7 plus k into 4 3s are 12 minus of 5 here. So 35 minus 28 is 7. 7 21 minus 7 minus of 14 is j. Then 12 minus 5 becomes 7 here plus 7k plus 7k. Therefore, this is a plane here. This is a plane passing to the point of -2, 2, 5 and this is normal. Suppose direction ratio of 7 minus 14 and 7 here. Therefore, equation of the plane. Equation of the plane is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into a z minus z1 is equal to 0. We are using this formula. Here a, b and c are what here? These are direction ratio of normal. Yes, sir. Direction ratio of normal 7 minus 14 7 here. And passing to the point, I am taking this point here. Therefore, so a value is a 7 here. So 7 into x minus of minus 2 minus plus 10. I am taking this one here. Then b value is a minus 14. So minus of 14 of y minus y1 is this 2 here. So right here 2. Then plus c is a 7 here. 7 into z minus of z1 is a 5. That is equal to 0. Then dividing both sides by 7 here. So therefore x plus 2 here minus of 2 into y minus 2 plus z minus of 5 that equal to 0. So x plus 2 is that minus 2 into y minus of 2y minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 here plus z minus 5 plus z minus 5 is equal to 0. Hence x minus 2y plus z here 2 plus 4 6 minus 5 is 1 here plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is required point here. Okay, actually there is a minus 5 plus 5 there, so take care this part as a minus 5, minus 2, 2 and minus 5, so this becomes a plus here. Therefore this becomes a plus here. Then here this is a plus. So 2 plus 4, 6 plus 5, 11 here. So it is a plus 11 is equal to 0. Therefore we want the perpendicular distance from origin to this plane here. Therefore required distance here. Required distance is equal to from origin here. Put x value 0, y value 0, z value 0. So 0 minus of 2 into 0 plus 0 plus 11 here divided by root of. So root of x coefficient is 1 here, 1 square plus y coefficient is minus 2, minus 2 square plus z coefficient is 1 here, 1 square. Therefore all the term becomes 0. So 11 divided by root of 6 here. So 11 by root 6 is the required distance of the plane from origin here. A tetrahedron has vertices P, Q, R and O. The angle between the faces OPQ and PQR here. So it is a tetrahedron here. So PQR is one face here. OPQ is another face. So angle between this space and this space is what here. Therefore find a normal to both faces here. And angle between the faces, angle between the plane is equal to angle between the normals here. Therefore first to find here normal to these two faces here. Therefore so normal to the face OPQ is okay. Take care, N1 bar is equal to okay. Here OP cross of OK. So determinant of I, J and K. OP, take a point up here. 1 to 1 here. So 1 to 1. OQ 2 1 3. 2 1 3 here. Then expand it here. So this gives I into 2 3s are 6 here. And 1 1s are 1. Minus of J, 1 3s are 3. And 2 1s are 2 here. Plus K into bracket, 1 1s are 1 and 2 2s are 4 here. So this equal to 6 minus 1 is a 5. It's a 5 I here. 3 minus 2 1 minus of J. 1 minus 4 is a minus of 3 minus of 3K. And a normal to the face. Normal to the face. PQR is a N2 bar. So PQ dot cross of PR is equal to determinant of I, J, K. Okay. PQ cross of PR. So here PQ is equal to OQ minus of OPR. OQ minus OP means 2 minus 1 here. 2 minus of 1. 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2. 3 minus 1 here. 3 minus of 1. That is 2 minus 1 is 1 here. 1 minus 2 is a minus of 1. And 3 minus 1 gives a 2 here. That is so I minus J plus 2K. That is here. Then PR. So PR is given by who are minus of OPR. So therefore minus of minus 1 here, minus 1 minus of 1 here, 1 minus 2. So 1 minus 2 here, 2 minus 1. So 2 minus of 1. So minus 1 is a minus of 2 here. 1 minus 2 is a minus of 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 here. That is a minus 2i minus j plus k. So write here PR PQ. 1 minus 1 2. 1 minus 1 and 2. Then a PR. So minus 2 minus 1 and a plus 1. Then expand it here. So this equal to I into minus 1 into 1 is a minus 1 minus 2 ones are here. Minus plus 2. Minus of j. 1 ones are 1 minus 2 2s are 4 here. Minus 4 minus plus 4 here. Plus k into 1 into minus 1 is a minus 1 minus 2 into minus 1 is a plus 2 here. Therefore this equal to 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 into I becomes I. 4 plus 1 is a 5. Minus 5 is 8. And minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Minus of 3k. Therefore angle between the plane. Angle between two places. OPQ and PQR is equal to angle between N1 bar and N2 bar. Therefore this is equal to, so cos of theta is equal to N1 dot of N2 divided by modulus of N1 bar into modulus of N2 bar. Take it the modulus here. So apply this formula here. So this is equal to, here N1 dot into, it's a dot product, 5 into 1 here. So right here 5 into 1. Then minus 1 into minus 5. So minus 1 into minus 5 here, into plus here. Then plus. Then minus 3 into minus 3 here. So minus 3 into minus 3 divided by. So modulus of N1 bar is the root of 5 square here. It is a 5 square plus a minus 1 square. Minus 1 square plus a minus 3 square here. Then the root of 1 square plus minus of 5 square plus minus 3 square here. Modulus complete here. Then simplify. Okay. So this is equal to 5 ones of 5. Again 5 ones of 5. Minus into minus plus 5. 3 threes are 9 plus 9 divided by root of 5 square is 25. 1 square is 1. 3 square is 9. 9 plus 1 10 plus 35. 35. Root of 35 into root of. Again 35 only. Take care modulus sign. Then here 5 plus 5, 10 plus 9, 19 here. So therefore this equal to 19 divided by, so product is 35. So theta is equal to cos inverse of 19 divided by 35. Therefore C is the correct option here. Angle between the two planes is equal to angle between their normals here.